Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here, standing next to the S55 AMG. Look at right there. And I have to admit, there's a reason that we haven't done a video on this. I'm terrified. I am terrified of the AMG.
Yep, that sounds good.
It's the next day. Oh. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Well, as you can see, we got plenty of projects. Yep. I can't park another, well, I could, but then I couldn't move around. Okay, so the work continues on all of these cars, even the mighty ML. Yeah. Gun-toting grandpa's E320, good Beamer. Yeah. The gentleman's car, the 560 SEC. We have the Ghost of Janice back in there, and then we got the Bummer Beamer. And they all need my love. They all need my attention. But I can't take it anymore. I cannot take it anymore. I've had this car. I've had one other AMG in my lifetime, the C43, and I loved it. And one of the dumbest things I've ever done is I sold it. Yep, down in Naples, Florida. Somebody drove all the way down from Atlanta to get the car. I should have kept it. That was the most amazing little pocket rocket I've ever seen. But I can't take it anymore. This car has been sitting here. We're going to give it a start, okay? We're going to take her for a little spin, and we're going to see what she's got. Remember what she looked like when we first got her? Remember how horrible it was? Yeah, and look at her now. See? New shoes. She's got some eyes. She's got a nose. She's got a fender. And most importantly, she's got a new star. Yeah, right there. And that did not close very well. Uh-oh, what's wrong? Uh-oh, I don't like the way that did not close. Ah! What have I done? What have I done? Dagnabbit. Well, okay. Yeah, this latch wasn't aligned when I closed it. Nice going, Mike. Okay. And now the little latch release is not coming out of here. This latch is latched. So I can't take it. We're going to drive it. I have to know what's going to happen. Okay, so I've cleared out a little space. Let me remove the key from the trunk. There we go. And we're going to take her for a spin because I got to tell you, let's put the key back in here. See? Cha-chink. Oh, I'm shooting this on my new iPhone 12 Max Pro. Yes, sirree, Bob. Hopefully I look better on it. Hopefully the cars look better too. Oh, it's nice to be inside. It is so nice to be inside this car. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. All right, all right. She is alive. She needs some washer fluid. That's okay. We're still working on the airbag. That's okay. The brake assist should go off once I start doing this. Lefty loosey. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. And there it goes. See? Just like magic. It's done. All right. Let's see what she's got. You want to do this? We're going up and down the hill. Because I have to know. Okay. Can I even get out of here with all these freaking cars? Can I even do it? Because we're getting close to the fence over here. Yep. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Okay. Go forward. Okay. Well, she has reverse. She has forward. She now has a check engine light. And we're getting very close to the other car back there. She is not running very well, I'll tell you that much. She may need new spark plugs. But I gotta know. I just have to know what she's got. Okay? Oh, says the hood's open. She's not steering very good. Says the door's open. What door? There's no door. Just be a good car. Okay, here we go. We're going to the right. We're going to the right. See if she changes gears. She's still, oh, the back door. Oh, she thinks the back door is open. Yeah, because I'm still working on the airbag. holy moly, does she need an alignment? Look at that. Okay. The brake assist error is back. The brake assist error. Hood is open. We know that. Wow. She is so out of alignment. Holy moly. But she's changing gears. And she's stopping. She is changing gears and she's stopping. Okay. We're kind of running out of sunlight up here. But I couldn't take it. I needed to know. And why do you keep thinking the hood's open? And that sun, oh. Why are the wheels? Oh, yeah, because I had to replace the, didn't I replace the tie rod on this? Wasn't that one of the issues and that's why? Probably so. Yeah, this is not. She does want to get up and go. She does like to get up and go. Holy crap. Woo! ESP. All kinds of things going off here. All right. Well, she drives. She does drive. We've made it up the hill. But she just does not, the engine is not very smooth. Now granted, I haven't driven her ain't driven her for a spell. Haven't driven her for a little while. But she's doing better than that car. That car needs a tranny. Holy moly. Oh, I found a tennis ball too. Okay. Here, we'll get out here and we'll park. Hopefully get this thing open and you guys can listen to the engine. Okay, let's do that. Hold on. Lo and behold, there she is. She's still a little shaky. Can you see that? But I don't hear any ticking. I don't hear anything horrible. She's just not real smooth. Excuse me. Is that a mass airflow sensor issue? I need to check the spark plugs. I should probably do that. Let's take out a spark plug and see how that looks. But overall, other than the rough engine, Mikey likey. Mikey likey. Time for the big reveal. Yeah, we've loosened up the spark plug and we're going to take it out and we're going to see what lies beneath. All right, let's see. Hopefully I loosen this enough. Yowza. Okay, here we go. Yep. It's a coming. It's a coming. And the survey says, come on, Mike. Here it is. There it is. Ooh. Okay. I want to say that's been there for a little while. Wow. Okay, that could be. Look at that rust. Focus on me. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's go to a easier background for the camera. How about this right there? There we go. Look at that. That's horrible. That's our issue. Okay, let's see if it's even, let's see what kind it is. Let's just kind of see what kind it is. We're going to take it out. And what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, Super Plus. What? Oh, almost dropped it. Oh! Yep, we got the old Bosch Super Plus. Is that even what's supposed to be in here? I'm going to have to, here we go. This is really gross. Here it is. If I could read that. Okay, for all the folks, all the AMG experts, tell me what kind of spark plugs I need to get. Yep, because I don't think those are cutting it anymore. Look at that. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, don't look at my fingernail. Don't look at my fingernail. You just looked at it, didn't you? Yep, I knowed it. I knowed it. So, Mike is going to be buying some spark plugs. In the comments, let me know. What should it be? Okay, what kind should I get for the 2001 S55 AMG? Whoa! Whoa! This camera is clear. You can see every wrinkle. Not that I have any. Wow. Okay, loving the 12 Max Pro. Way to go, Apple. Loving the AMG too. Okay, so that was the first time, literally the first time I've driven it more than just moving it to the driveway. Yeah, that was it. And she did pretty good. Okay, I got to tell you, I've neglected her, and I'm very sorry. And I'm getting all kinds of emails and all kinds of questions about this. People really want to know what's going on. They want to know if it's a head gasket issue. Yes. Once again, Mike's a little terrified to find out for sure. I do have something that will tell me for sure. So we're going to do that in the next video, okay? We're going to find out what kind of spark plugs she needs. Please comment below, okay? And we're going to get some spark plugs, and then we're going to do the old head gasket test. Yep, and we're going to find out for sure what kind of an engine we have. You know, now that we're almost completely done with the car, let's find out if it's any good or not. Yeah, some of my thinking is a little backwards, but that's okay. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm off to the parts store. Remember these old-timey little light bulbs? What did this go in? Do you remember? Any ideas? Yep, gun-toting Grandpa's Mercedes needs some new instrument cluster lights. So we're going to go get a couple of those. But folks, thank you so much for watching these videos, and thank you for liking. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please give me a thumbs up. I'm running at like 99.7% likes. Very few of those. Lots of these, which I love. Which I really love. Did my eyes cross right there? Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you. We're going to have some more videos coming out on the S55 AMG. And then I think we're finally going to focus on, scary Janice, the ghost of Janice. Yep. The 69 280 SC, I think, is going to be the next one. I think that's going to get me to 20,000 subscribers. I really hope so. All right, so thank you, guys. Have a good time. We're going to go let my little light shine. Yeah. Monkey? Monkey? Monkey. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.